Here's the lot, hosted in a carry album that I can ship with the stamps if you pay the additional shipping. And it's a very complete collection of Uruguay in blocks of 4, starting in 1972 all on to 1987, yes. As you can see, it's all in plate blocks with colors. Maybe some that are not, but vast majority is with the plate blocks. This lot includes nice pieces like this, or limited issues with an important Scott value. There's another interesting block, the soccer, the $1,000 stamp. As you see, condition is quite good. Well, those pinholes are where the sheets were picked, so it's normal that there is 6. Condition, as I said, is, I don't like to say perfect, but it's almost perfect. You see this? It's a white sheet, so compare it, you can see it's what is not usual for Uruguay stamps due to climate conditions. With this block, it's the 10 peso block of 6. So there's a lot of value, and for starting an Uruguay collection in block of 4, I think it's a good choice. I'm listing another that goes from before 1972, so you can combine both orders. And as I said, this came in a stock book. I can ship it provided you pay for the shipping expenses that are quite convenient now for me. I can ship via FedEx and it will arrive in 3 days for $25. So happy with them.